He called me, was just insisting where I was.
And she shot him at close range.
Very close.
I know her very well. She's like that.
Constantly, she's always there.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Just this,
I don't call him safe.
Can you imagine?
I don't text him. But you know,
Can you imagine? How can you shoot somebody at close range like this?
and he was like, you just shot me, and she was like, yeah, what? that was it for me actually. It's one thing to be like,
I was shocked. I just feel like
when did you shoot this?
I beg, can one of you give him a helping hand? Turn around. Let's go. The thing is, it's there, it's lodged there, the bullet is lodged there. Bro, the bullet is there.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
Please, let's reduce the number.
Solidarity forever. Don't just leave them when they're going fine.
Let's continue. Stay back.